Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smart English Hub. Thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. This video is about 10th class English. Here we can see the unit theme personality development and the A, B and C readings. Here we can see reading A, reading B and reading C. Reading A is attitude is altitude. Reading B, every success story is also a story of great failures. Reading C, I will do it. Is that clear friends? In this video, we are going to deal the face sheet of the first unit reading A, which is attitude is altitude. Are you all ready friends? Okay, now let us see the face sheet. Here we can see the theme of the first unit, personality development. What is personality development? Personality is what makes a person a unique person, isn't it friends? Development means the process of developing. The process of growth is called development. Everyone is born unique and everyone has a distinct personality. Isn't it true friends? In this face sheet, we are going to learn about 3 different personalities. Are you all ready, friends? Look at the pictures and answer the questions. Here is the picture, friends. And the first picture is of Sudha Chandran. Second picture, here we can see Stephen Hawking. And the third picture is of Helen Keller. Now let us see the questions. First question is, do you know these people? What is their speciality? So friends, let us now discuss about Sudha Chandran. She is an Indian film and television actress and also a very famous Bharatanatyam dancer. She was born on 27th September 1965. Here, at the age of 16, she hurt her right leg in a road accident. Later, doctors discovered some infection in her leg and her leg got amputated. She can speak English, Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi, Telugu and Kannada very fluently. She regained mobility with the help of a prosthetic Jaipur foot. She got many awards and she was given an honorary doctorate by Invertis University, Bareilly. What we have to learn from Sudha Chandran is that though her right leg got amputated, she did not sit at home. She did not get disappointed. What did she do? She started dancing again with a prosthetic leg. Okay friends? She proved that disability is not an obstacle for success. Now let us talk about the second picture. We can see here he is none other than Stephen Hawking. Who is he? He is a very famous scientist. He was born on January 8, 1942 and died on 14 March 2018. He died at the age of 76. He was diagnosed with motor neuron disease. He became less mobile. He cannot walk or he cannot talk. So he started to move using a wheelchair. In 1985, he lost his speech. He wrote many books. As he lost his speech, he started speaking by moving the muscles of his cheek. He is of a brilliant mind. Though he cannot move, he cannot talk, he was a very famous scientist. Let's talk about the third picture. She is Helen Keller. She was born on 27th June 1880 and died on 1st June 1968. She was an American author, political activist and also a lecturer. She was the first deaf-blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. She was born a healthy child, but at the age of 19 months, she became deaf and blind because of some unknown illness. The Story of My Life is the autobiography of Helen Keller. Clear, friends? I hope you have understood about all the three famous personalities given over here. All of them have some disability, but they prove that disability is never an obstacle for success. We have to learn many things from them, isn't it, friends? Now let us see the second question. Here is the second question. What qualities do you think a person requires to become successful? There are many qualities, friends. For example, first is ambition. There should be some ambition in life to become successful. Second is courage. Third is commitment. Fourth is willpower. And the next is curiosity to learn something new, curiosity to do something new. And the next thing is very important thing, self-confidence. If you would like to add some more qualities, please comment me in the comment section that which qualities do you think a person requires to become successful. Please comment me in the comment section. Here comes the third question. What is your opinion about the attitude of society towards individuals with special needs? So see here, friends, to be frank, we do not react in a proper way with the people who have some sort of disabilities. In general, the way we behave is bad. We need to change it. Some people are rude to the people who are suffering from sort of mental illness or some sort of disabilities. So we should remember that those people did not choose to be born with some special needs. This type of rude attitude towards the disabled persons should be changed. We should treat them equally with respect. Always remember that you are lucky enough to be born in a healthy body. The saddest part is nowadays the youth are also getting affected by several disabilities because of several unknown reasons. We should respect the people who have some sort of disabilities. We should give them proper respect and we should behave with them in a good manner. Is that clear, friends? Now here we can see the oral discourse. Disability is not an obstacle for success. Let us discuss on this topic. This statement is absolutely true, friends. Disability is never an obstacle on the path of success. Many people with disabilities excel in their life. We can take the examples of Sudha Chandran, Stephen Hawking, and also the Helen Keller. The people who have disabilities forget about their disabilities and work hard continuously to achieve their goals. By doing this, they even inspire the other disabled people and they also give hope and courage to them to achieve the great things. Thinking that disabilities are obstacle in the path of success is absolutely wrong, friends. We should not think that disability is an obstacle for success. We need to learn from the disabled persons. Clear, friends? I hope you have understood all the three questions and also the oral discourse. Let us continue the lesson in the next video. I hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel, which is Smart English Hub. You can also follow me on various social medias like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and please keep subscribing to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.